Greetings. We are a team of four: Aryan Mane, Riya Shikwan, Parth Vanjari, and Sufyan Syed, working under the guidance of Mrs. Neeta Chavan as a part of our final year major project. Our project is titled Wakalat AI. Legal research today is still largely manual and time consuming. Lawyers often spend hours searching through multiple case laws, statutes, and precedents, relying on keyword based systems that fail to capture context and intent. This not only reduces efficiency but also increases the risk of missing critical precedents or procedural deadlines. To address this gap, we developed Wakalat AI, an AI powered legal assistant designed specifically for the Indian legal system. Wakalat AI empowers lawyers to prepare cases, find precedents, draft documents, and do legal research in a fraction of time. The platform begins with a smart guided case intake system. Whether it's criminal case, civil case, cybercrime case, or a family case, Wakalat AI dynamically adapts its fields to capture relevant facts, parties, and legal context required for analysis. So, for example, we will try out a criminal case with some form details that we already have filled in interest of saving time. Instead of generating a single response, Wakalat AI uses an MCP based architecture where multiple specialized tools are invoked step by step. For example, when we submit a case query with the given input fields, the system first analyzes the intent and then decides which tools to use. So, if the query requires case laws, the system will call a precedent search tool, like it did over here for this case, which retrieves relevant judgments and citations from Indian legal database. If the case involves timelines, it invokes a limitation checker tool which calculates statutory deadlines under the Limitation Act. These tools are orchestrated using LangGraph, which allows the system to perform structured multi-step reasoning instead of giving some generic answer. So, after submitting the case, this is the response given by Wakalat AI. All the applicable laws and provisions have been very neatly mentioned over here. If there was any limitation period that was to be checked, then it is given here, and even a recommended legal strategy is provided. So effectively, the AI is not just responding, it is planning and executing a sequence of legal tasks just like any junior associate would. The results are then validated using structured schemas to ensure consistency and accuracy in outputs. Under the hood, the system combines retrieval, augmented generation, semantic vector search, and modular AI workflows, ensuring that outputs are both relevant and explainable. So we tried out for a criminal case. Similarly, we can try out for any type of case with its required fields feeded into the form. Now we shall try out a text input where we will submit a legal query with some limitation period in it to check what type of a response would our system would give. Okay, so this is an example of a case, and we'll give this prompt and we'll try to see that if we want to file a money suit, are we late or do we still have time? So it's using the check limitation period tool, and here is our answer. So it has given us a clear-cut answer that as of now the period has elapsed, so we cannot file a money suit. So, from intelligent case intake to precedent retrieval, limitation analysis, Wakalat AI acts as a digital co-counsel. It enables legal professionals to work faster, make better decisions, and focus on what truly matters: legal reasoning, and advocacy. With Wakalat AI, we are not replacing lawyers, we are empowering them.